Hello everybody, I hope you can hear me. I'm out here in windy Palm Springs right now, and I'm at a very interesting installation art that I just learned about today on a road trip, and I just wanted to share it with everybody. Welcome to planet Earth. This is a spur of the moment thing, so I don't know that much about the artist. I usually do research beforehand, but this time it's gonna be, I don't know, I guess I'm gonna just wing it, but it's too awesome to pass up. So welcome to Indian land. So it's supposed to be a mock-up of the Hollywood sign. That is some hot wind. I want to say it is 118 degrees out here right now, so my face is melting. Anyway, I found this just really interesting. I'm an artist myself. I love art installation, especially out in the desert, for all to just kind of come by and see it, check it out. This is gonna be a really quick vlog. I don't have that much to say about it. I mean, other than it's freaking awesome. I do want to get up on it. I want to get closer to it and really show the size of it. My face is melting. As you can see, as we get closer and closer to the sign, the size of it, I mean, this thing is massive. I didn't know what to expect, and I have to say, this is pretty freaking awesome. Look at that thing. I don't know how it's looking in camera, but from where I am right now, that thing is massive. Look at that. And the backdrop of the mountains and the rocks and that just beautiful landscape. My God. One of the things I love to do is just get close up to whatever I'm looking at and just really get a feel for everything, the texture and the size and just how massive this thing is. My biggest fear is snakes. But the pathway is quite treacherous to get closer. I'm not sure how close I'm gonna be able to get. Thankfully, the wind died down. I'm happy for that. But anyway, as I get closer and closer, you can see the massive size of this thing. I would like to know what is actually bigger, the Hollywood sign or this. Holy bejesus. Look at this. As I get closer and closer, you can see the size of this thing. It's quite impressive, I'll say that. Look at that. And all the brackets behind it. It appears to be sheet metal. I hope you can hear me. It is very windy, as I've been stating throughout this whole vlog. This vlog has been brought to you by the letter L. The letter L, it's one of the alphabet letters. Now I know this art, from my understanding so far, and if I'm wrong, please correct me in the comments below, but this is basically, or essentially, an awareness of indigenous land. I can talk, I swear. Thank you for watching my vlog. It's been real, guys. I hope you join me for my next adventure, which is probably gonna be just as random as this one, so like, comment, and subscribe. That's all I got to say, guys. Bye-bye.